And also today I will show you how to stop and turn off Windows 10 automatically update. I will show you the solution. Number one, go in here, write services.msc, service.msc. After that, come down, scroll down the mouse and find Windows Update. Double click after that and stop from here, stop service, and start from here, startup disable. After that, make apply. This one is the solution 1. Okay, another things, go and write here gpedit.msc. After writing and click OK. Go to configuration, administrative temple, administrative temple. After that, Windows components, scroll down, Windows Update, double click, then double click configure automatic update. Come here and disable. Make apply also. Okay, dear my friends, thanks for watching. This was a 2 solution for how to stop, delete, stop, and also for Windows 10 update.